Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to open a new project in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I will need to show you how to get Visual Studio Code on your PCs. So it's pretty much simple. Just go ahead and open code.visualstudiocode.com, and from here, for example, if you didn't find it, you can just go to search in your section for Visual Studio Code. And please guys, do not make a confusion between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. Both are different, like completely different programs, and one of them is with this logo and the other one is with the blue logo. So make sure that you are using the blue logo one. So now let's go back to this website. So here you can click download to actually download the software for Windows. Else, if you have any other system, you can go to here, download for Mac OS or Linux through here. After that, you only need to download it, install it, pick like the normal installation process, and after that you have to create an account and launch the program. So finally, it will be open something around that. Now, how you can actually create a new project or open a new project? It is pretty much simple. So there is different kinds of projects. So let me just go through here and I will show you how. So there is the only file project, so you can just create a file, and like if your work needs like a simple work, you can just create, for example, a simple Python file like this, which is alone, just for beginners to learn something in Python, for example, which is really efficient. The other thing to use, which is going to file, and from here, let me just go back to the here. So here, for example, I will going to do this new folder, and here I will make project. So here we go, project, and then I will go to Visual Studio Code. Here I will go to file, and then I will click on open folder. After that, I will go to desktop and choose this project, and let me just go back, select folder. Now, as you can see, this is my project, this I am working on. I can add in this project like multiple files. As you can see, I can make, for example, tutorial.js. For example, for JavaScript, I can add even tutorial.py. For Python, you can add GS, Python, and make stuff together, make HTML, and link all of these files together if you want to. So yeah guys, basically that's it. That's how you can open a new project in Visual Studio Code. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.